Good morning, y'all. It's Monday and the work week has started. I'm on my way to the office. Blah 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 blah. You all know that by now. Anyway, weather is great and I'm stuck behind slow driver. Anyway, sun is shining, so I'm not taking it too hard. Just enjoying the drive and yeah, make a good fun day out of it as far as I'm capable to. Yep, here we go, guys. Green Man.
Stars over Amsterdam.
Well, at the office, and I'm working on this heck of an all-in-one computer again. Well, mission success! Computer is fixed, and now it's lunch break. Heading over to the grocery store to get some groceries. So here we go on another drive through the village. It's kind of gloomy out. Rather dark. Anyway, heading back to the office. So yeah, made a little pattern here from all these little things. Administrator account has been disabled. It is time for maintenance. Yep. What is it with people and dust in their PCs? Man. Time to try some antivirus. Scanning, scanning, scanning. Woohoo, peachy. Well, that didn't solve the problem. Trying a system restore. Well, the workday has come to an end. Time to head back to HQ. And people should drive when the light is green. Yep. So yeah. Driving in the rain. Icky, icky, icky. Filthy weather. Anyway, back in Amsterdam now. Yeah. Internet radio in the car. Excellent.
Hello, Chibi. Yeah. Hiya. I got something for you. Ooh. A chicken flavored meat stick. Oh, yes. Num num num. Enjoy, Chibi.
Guys, gonna watch some One Piece and leaving it at that for tonight. So thanks for watching and see you again tomorrow. Hey, cheerio.
Hello, Dr. Green Thumb. Paging Dr. Green Thumb.